Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela Savanambiro from Uganda, East Africa. Today I have something to show you guys.
I'm so excited.
Okay, let me show you. I really appreciate your love. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Yeah? Eh? Yes, guys.
What is that?
Eh? This is an award. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Whew. Guys, look at this.